Do you use PayPal to receive money in a country where PayPal doesn't allow you to receive money from, like Nigeria and other countries? If yes, you might just wake up one day and see a message like this. And what this means is that your PayPal account is gone permanently and any money you have inside will be held for 180 days. That's 6 good months before being released for you. Now in this video, I'm going to tell you how to avoid getting this type of message or having your PayPal account permanently closed for whatever reason. If you're coming across my video for the first time, my name is Waterfred1 and I recommend you watch from the beginning to the end of this video so you get the 10 things I need you to do or to avoid doing in order to have your PayPal account up and running without any problems. I've been using my PayPal account for about 4 years now and I'm telling you this basically from experience. So without talking much, let's get started right now. Number 1, log in from the correct IP address. Now, if you're using a Nigerian PayPal, if you look at my screen right now, you will see this is PayPal and you will see where NG is written. Now, when you change this to US, it becomes USA PayPal. When you change it to IS, it becomes Iceland PayPal, and so on and so forth. When you register your PayPal in Nigeria or in US or UK, it is going to have the IP address of that country. Now, please, you don't take the registration details of a USA PayPal and log in on a Nigerian IP address or a Nigerian IP address and log into an Iceland IP address. You are going to get automatically flagged. Even if it doesn't happen immediately, with time, if you continue doing that, you're going to get flagged. Number 2, if your PayPal account is new, please start by receiving small amounts, say like $50 or $100 or less, at least within the first 2 weeks or a month before you start receiving bigger amounts. Number 3, please try and link a US dollar account to your PayPal, okay? Yes, when your PayPal is new, link a US dollar account to it. You can get that via Gray, GigPay. There are lots of online platforms that give online virtual US dollar accounts, okay? This is going to boost the confidence level of your PayPal account. Now, when you're trying to link a US dollar account to your PayPal account, when you open your PayPal newly, there may be difficulties. But after 7 to 14 days, believe you me, you are going to link it successfully. If you're still having issues, change your network and then try again. Number 4 tip, receive funds more as family and friends than goods and services. Now, when you receive money via family and friends, there are less check, okay? There are lesser check on it. Other than, I don't know, this, whenever you receive via goods and services, okay, if you must receive via goods and services, please tell whomever that is sending you money that they should not add shipping address. The reason is because whenever you keep adding shipping address, at a certain point, PayPal is going to ask you to provide fulfilling orders, or you should provide shipping orders, the tracking numbers and all that. And if you're not shipping whatever you're doing to the customers, except if you're using digital products, okay, when the customer selects or whoever sending money selects goods and services, digital products, no shipping required, then you are more safe, you are safe. But when they add shipping addresses, with time, believe you me, they are going to ask you to start providing evidences that you are shipping to them. And if you can't do that, you will be in trouble. Tip number 5, when you are sending money, send in small fractions. When you want to send about $500, especially when your PayPal account is new, please, you can send in batches of $100, okay? Don't just send $500, $700 at once when your PayPal is new. It is going to trigger the unusual activity bot, and your account is likely going to be held and further verification is going to be asked, okay? Tip number 6, when you are receiving funds successfully, please do not receive more than $3,000 in a month. Whenever you are receiving money via PayPal and your PayPal account is not getting any issues and you just keep getting orders, when it gets to 2009, 2008, please stop until your limit refreshes, okay, after 29-day period or 27 days period or so that you can have another $3,000 to receive. Because if you receive more than that, believe you me, you will have the system flag. You see, your PayPal account is going to flag you automatically and they are going to ask you to apply for limit increase, and the customer support is going to start looking into your account and anything might happen. Tip number 7, avoid doing illegal activities with your PayPal. Avoid receiving illegal funds, because when you receive illegal funds via your PayPal account, and you do that 1, 2, or even once, and you get reported, or however PayPal tracks it, your PayPal account is gone. The money inside will be held or even returned to wherever it was sent from. So please avoid doing illegal things or illegal funds or whatever with your PayPal account. Tip number 8, avoid contacting PayPal support unnecessarily. One thing you need to realize that most of the limits or whatever message you get is automatic. I mean, it was done by the PayPal bot. So whenever you just keep any small thing, someone sent you money, you've not received it, you message support and say, please check for me. Automatically, you are trying to just bring yourself to the limelight, and they are going to start checking every hook and detail about your account, and it might land you in trouble. Tip number 9. Try to verify at least your ID card, your identity, your email address, and your phone number on your PayPal account. Okay, when you sign up and in the first stages, verify your email, verify your phone number, verify your ID, and then know that it is the address verification that is the only issue. Most times you are not asked that except when you start receiving bigger funds. That's when they start asking you for your credit card statements, your address verification, and all that. So when you verify those, you are going to be more likely to stay safer on PayPal than when you don't do those minor verifications at all. Finally, tip number 10. Link a virtual card. When you are linking a card, link a virtual USD card that you can generate the card statement. Here in Nigeria, when you go to the bank, we can hardly get anything like card statements. I don't know. You mostly have bank statements. So when you get some of those virtual cards online, you can easily generate the card statement so you can have it on ground anytime you are asked to provide that. There are several apps that can give you virtual cards that you can generate the card statement. Okay, I don't want to make this video too long, but if you check, there are several apps that can do that. Okay, when you get the card, you can check stuff like Cardify, you can check Gray, you can check GigPay, you can check Clasher. You can easily get the card statement and have it as a means of verification when you are asked to provide that. And then finally, before I end this video, you can still obey all these 10 rules and still have your PayPal account closed. Yes, that is it. Due to what? Potential risk, as PayPal usually put it. Now, it is not that you've done something, but they suspect that you may still do something. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do for you is that in the next video I'm going to create, I'm going to show you how to successfully open everything legal and legit PayPal accounts that you don't have to have any fear at all of getting banned or getting getting into trouble with PayPal, except if you go and do something illegal and then you'll be in trouble. Okay, these are just for those that you are in a country and you are working legitimately, you are working hard, but due to the limits in your country, you can't receive money via PayPal. Thank you so much for watching till this point. I really appreciate that. Thank you for watching till the end. If you gained any value on this one, please smash the subscribe button, turn on your bell notification icon so if I drop further videos, you will get it instantly. Okay, you will be notified. Comment your thoughts in the comment section and I will reply as much as I can. Share this video on social media, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and other social media platforms so other people can gain true value from the videos that I share online. Thanks once more for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next one. Peace.